Oh my goodness, you guys, look what just happened. He is literally stuck in the mud. Look at this. Guys, let's show you a better view. Look at that. Sideways. Straight. Isn't that crazy? Look at this. You guys see that back tire? Look at that back tire. OMG. He's trying to take the brush hog off, thinking maybe, but look at that. Look at its slant. Isn't that crazy? This is literally the view, and it's that sideways. It's insane. That side off. Okay, now we got that side off. This is take 47. Not really, but it sounds good. Here we go. He explained the tire situation, but I don't get it. Okay, here we go, you guys. We're gonna try this backwards. We're not sure if it's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. So be careful, you guys. I don't want nobody getting hit, okay? Okay. You guys be careful, okay? Okay, we're trying to dig under. There's a tire over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're trying to dig under so we're able to put some stabilizers or some wood underneath the tire so that we can get some type of traction. So that's what we're working on. Okay, you guys, here we go again. Hopefully we can get it this time. I'm kind of nervous this time. So let's see. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah, we got it! We got it! Woo! Yeah! Look at that tire, you guys. Isn't that crazy? Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. OMG. You know, if anything's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be my dad, right? Look at this mess. Oh MG. I'm sorry about cussing, you guys, but that was really exciting. Holy moly's. Look at the road of him trying to get it out. Look at that. Look at all those. Crazy.